Subject English Standard Second. Hello dear students, I am Asma Khan. How are you all? I hope all are fine. In this video, we are going to learn an interesting topic. So, children, today's topic name is wasp. Today's topic name is wasp. Children, now I am going to read a story. Listen carefully. Okay? Today's topic name is wasp. Wasps. Jay and Jishnu are at school. They put stones in a sack. Then Jishnu shouts, "Help me! A wasp has stung me." He runs to the teacher in tears. The teacher asks, "Where did the wasp hurt you? Where did the wasp hurt you?" "Near my ear," says Jishnu. He shows the teacher his neck. The teacher puts medicine on his neck. Now children, I will explain this story with the help of picture. Okay. So in this story there are two boys. You know what is the name of boys? Are Jay and Jishnu. Okay. And where they are? Yes, they are at school. A place which are missing a lot in this lockdown period. Right now? So you can see in this picture also. Yes, here how many boys are there? Two. Jay and Jishnu. They put stones in a sack. What can you see in the picture, children? Yes, two boys are there. And sack. So, both the boys put some stones in a sack. And then what happened? Let's see. Then Jishnu shouts, "Help me! A wasp has stung me." Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you're right. Wasp. Wasp is an insect, right? So Vishnu shouts, Vishnu says, "Help me, help me." And why he is shouting? Because an insect, wasp, stung him. Yes, now he is feeling the pain. What can you see in this picture, children? Yes, teacher. So he runs to the teacher in tears and the body sensations of it. So he runs towards his teacher in his tear. The teacher asked, "Where did the wasp hurt you?" The question asked by the teacher was, "Where did the wasp hurt you, dear?" You can see in this picture also. Yes. What teacher asked? Where did the wasp hurt you? Near my ear, says Jishnu. He shows the teacher his neck. The Jishnu replied when teacher asked, "Where did the wasp hurt you, dear?" Then Jishnu replied, "Teacher, near my ear means neck," said the teacher. It shows the teacher his neck to the teacher. Then teacher puts some medicine on his neck. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, this is first aid kit. The teacher puts medicine on his neck, and after putting medicine, he felt relief. So, students, we have learned that how the wasp has stung. The wasp has stung to Jishnu, and how the teacher and school as gave the first aid, applied some medicine on his neck, and he got relief from the pain and burning sensation. Let's see today's new words are medicine, hurt, and tears. Children, repeat after me. First word is medicine. Second, hurt. And then tears. Medicine means a substance or preparation used in treating disease. Now we will frame sentence of this word. The doctor prescribed some medicine for her cold. Now you will repeat, children. The doctor prescribed some medicine for her cold. Let's see another example. It is not necessary to take all of that medicine. Now let's see next word. Next word is hurt. Hurt means what? Cause pain or injury. That is harm. Okay. Now we will frame a sentence of this word. He got hurt in the accident at work. Next new word is tears. For example, Tom saw the tears in Mary's eyes. Let's see another example. She was moved to tears by the story. Children, now I will give you 1 minute to read the story. Read it carefully. After that, I will ask you few questions. Okay? Now start. Wasps, Jay and Jishnu are at school. They put stones in a sack. Then Jishnu shouts, "Help me! A wasp has stung me." He runs to the teacher in tears. The teacher asks, "Where did the wasp hurt you?" "Near my ear," says Jishnu. He shows the teacher his neck. The teacher puts medicine on his neck. Now I will ask you questions. Okay, children? First question is, what are Jay and Jishnu doing? What are Jay and Jishnu doing? Yes? Yes, you are right, children. Jay and Jishnu putting stones in the sack. Now, next question is, what happens at the end of the story? Yes, teacher puts the medicine on his neck. Now children, let's see the phonetic words. Back, pack, sack, rack. Now repeat after me. Back, pack, sack, rack, year, dear, near, here. Okay, now one more time. Again repeat. Back, pack, sack, rack. Next line. Year, dear, near, here. Good job, children. Now children, homework time. Okay, write down the hard words. First word is late. Late. Second word wasp. Wasp. Third word stuck. Stuck. Next neck. Neck. Next word is bites. Bites. Now complete homework book. Page number is 45. Children, I hope you understood this lesson very well. Thank you.